Okay, it's going now.
You should put it under my helmet and then have it swing up.
One more time.
Lift it up!
There it is.
You go for the count?
Ready!
Watch out! Watch out! We gotta run it. Watch out this side! Watch out this side! Hey, shut up! Go!
You dropped some stuff.
I guess so. Watch out, bad boy. The birds work for the
Up, hit. They're over there, so you should be safe right here. Thank you, sir.
All right, you good, man?
Appreciate it.
Yep.
They're watching this window right here. I sniped 2 of them, but there you can see they're back up.
Up in the tower.
Yeah.
There's some guys up in the tower? Yeah, there's one guy on the left side of it.
I'm gonna back up a little bit, see if I can. Yeah, I see him. Hey, Randall. Thanks. I thought I was out of range, but apparently not. Thank you, sir. All right, I gotta reposition. Oh, I got hit down. Yeah, okay.
Can someone get on these guys right now?
There's gonna be a line of BBs.
Somebody picking you up? Here, I'm gonna grab you and pull you up.
I thought you were dead.
No, I'm up. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you're up. Hey, watch out. Let me snap into this hole right here.
Yeah, this man's just camping the green,
Yeah.
green cargo.
I got him. That's
Okay.
a fist-sized hole. Okay.
He's not the green cargo.
Right.
God dang.
There he is.
Can you see him?
Yeah.
Has he hit me? Has he hit me in the belt?
I don't think so.
Okay, good. Hey, watch out! We got one guy camping green cargo. There's a guy camping green.
Don't back up, okay? I really don't want to pop you in the butt.
Here, can I?
You need to reposition?
I want to move over there.
Yeah, okay. Just let me know before you move so I don't pop you.
Yeah. That wouldn't feel good.
Watch.
all just ricochet. I know. But sometimes hitting with some force, so I'm trying to look where he is.
There's like 3 of them. I see him.
Oh, the one guy. I think he's in building. Don't stand there. You're not standing here. You'll get hit by 10 million ricochets if you stand right there.
Yeah, I got one guy.
It's not any better there.
Ricochets don't really, yeah.
I know they don't count, but they still hurt.
Yeah, sure. Alright, I'm getting a couple guys.
That guy's dead.
Yeah.
Is there a window?
Yeah, there's a couple.
Yeah,
You shoot through there.
Right there, but they're just full auto. They're not even, no one's going through. Yeah, there's one guy hiding behind that dead guy.
Yeah.
So the green, there's 2 behind the green. Got him. You okay? Hey, they got me.
Shit.
Two,
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Thanks. All right.
Let me see if
You
I can
okay?
see anything through that hole.
There's 2 or 3 guys. I've hit them a couple times, so they should be low on revives, but they're.
Somebody dropped the CMA for pistol.
That's for you, Randall.
Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
God dang, I think I got hit.
You need a revive?
Holy.
Are you out?
There's one right across. Gotcha. GoPro highlight.
Are you getting the crack down? Alright.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. You're hit? Alright, just making sure. Oh. There.
Yeah.
They are though.
I've popped like. Yeah, I popped 1 or 2 of them several times. Reloading.
Dude, this shit can chill. not doing much good right there.
No, it's helping. I can see everything. Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah. I think your feet are hitting that metal.
Yeah, it is.
Dude, oh my god, I'm gonna get out of here. What? Oh, I saw him. Hey, they're on the blue barrel.
Yeah, I'm about to take them out. Can't do anything here. Randall, where'd you go? Tearing it. Yeah, got hit, dude. Call your shot.
Right here low on this wall. If you stay low, you can get it here. Just stay covering it. Actually, you got I can just cover it.
Gotcha. This is great.
Stay on.
GoPro, stop recording.